Good morning. I'm really pleased to welcome you to the launch of the 9th Palliative Care Week. I'm delighted to support the opening once again in 2022. This week is all about raising awareness of the benefits that palliative care can have on a person with a life-limiting illness and, of course, on their families and on their carers right across the island of Ireland. This year's theme is living as well as possible, and it's so important that we take this opportunity to inform people about the difference that palliative care can and does make. By taking this holistic approach, putting the person at the centre, palliative care considers a person's physical, emotional, social and spiritual needs. It provides a care plan for the person and for those closest to them, supporting people at any age and at any stage of their illness. I would really encourage people who want to know more about palliative care to visit the Palliative Care Hub online. The website contains very helpful information and guidance about palliative care for people with a life-limiting illness, for family members and for carers. The government is strongly committed to meeting the growing need for palliative care services in Ireland and to continuing to provide high-quality palliative care services for adults and children right across the country. In Budget 2022, over €120 million was provided for palliative care services. As Minister for Health, I was delighted to announce an additional funding allocation of €10 million in December 2021. This included the provision of €100,000 in one-off funding for the All-Ireland Institute of Hospice and Palliative Care. The work of the Institute brings together the experience of hospices, health and social care organisations, charities and universities right across the island. In April of this year, I established a steering group for the development of a new palliative care policy for adults. This is chaired by Professor Karen Ryan, a consultant in palliative care medicine at the Mater Hospital and St Francis Hospice and clinical professor at University College Dublin. The development of this policy is ongoing, and it's going to take into account the very significant developments in research that have taken place across health and palliative care over the past 2 decades. We plan to publish this new policy early next year. I'd like to really thank Karen Charnley, Director of the Institute, and all involved in the All-Ireland Institute of Hospice and Palliative Care for your continued valuable work, not only in driving excellence in palliative care, but also in advancing education, research, policy and practice across the island. I wish you all the very best with your fantastic programme of activity that's happening this year for Palliative Care Week. Thank you.